Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to create a fresh brand new Etsy shop where you can buy items and easily sell items. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is go to the Etsy website on your smartphone or your laptop or computer. Now from there we go down to the top right corner where it says sign in. Now, as you can see right here, we have a couple of options. We can use Google as our sign-in method. We can use Facebook or Apple. Now, I'm going to show you how to register through email. It's a very easy process. Go to the top right corner where it says register, simply press it. And from there, you can choose your email of your liking, your first name and your password. Now, you don't have to check this box. And from there, you simply press register. Now, I'm going to be back with you right in any second. Now, once you've registered your account, there will be an email in your account which you can use to verify your account. Now, from there, as you can see, you can sign in to your Etsy account with your details you've just created. And here you have your account ready and set. Now, you can search for anything, and from there, you can actually go into your account, view your profile, and here's nothing yet because you don't have a shop set up. Now, how to set up a shop, I will link a video down in the description where you can easily set up your shop from scratch so you can sell your own unique made items or anything else. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This will help me out a lot, and thank you for watching.